Hey everyone, Cynthia here with What You Seek is Within. Today I want to talk about chemicals and toxins. Ooh, yucky topic, I know. However, it's a super important one because our world is filled with chemicals and toxins that we don't even know about. They're everywhere, in everything, in the air that we breathe, in the water that we drink, in the food that we eat, in the beds that we sleep on. They're everywhere. And we don't realize how inundated our bodies are with these toxins. And it's causing some real health issues. And it's just polluting our planet more and more and more and making life really hard for humans and all the wildlife and everything else on planet Earth, right? So when it comes to toxins, the best thing to do is be aware, right? Just be aware. Be aware of the products in your home. Be aware of the chemicals in your food. Be aware of the chemicals in the mattress that you just bought that has that weird off-gassing smell. Be aware. The more aware we are, the better we can be at choosing products that are organic, natural, don't have chemicals. And the better we can be about getting the chemicals out of our lives that don't need to be there and removing chemicals from water, let's say, with the filter. Getting the chlorine and the fluoride out of the water is super important for our bodies. You know, they're used to treat the water as they go through the water plant to keep the water clean and drinkable. But chlorine is not good for anybody's body. It's wrecking the processes that are supposed to be going on in our bodies. So this is what we're going to be talking about on day 4 of my upcoming Becoming a Beneficial Human retreat. It is starting April 23rd, which is a Friday. It's a 4-day online retreat through Zoom. We're going to come together for about 3 hours each morning, and then in the afternoon or evening, you'll have some exercises to do. It's going to be a really exciting retreat, a really great way to come together and sort of talk about these really important topics and focus on the solutions and what we can do to change the planet now as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Because if we don't, we're going to run into some really big problems here within the next 20 years or so. So this is really a global issue that we all need to take very seriously, and we all need to start making some changes for. So that's what I'm here to help everyone along with, focus on solutions and the things that we can control. So if this retreat sounds like something you're interested in, I would be happy to invite you in. The cost of the retreat is $333 on early bird through this evening, April 9th. And then tomorrow morning, it's going to go up to $555. So if it's something you want to do, I encourage you to hop in tonight and get that early bird price. And if you have any questions about the retreat, feel free to send me a message or go to my website at whatyouseekiswithin.com and you'll find more info there. If you want to join my network, and because you're not ready for a retreat yet, just go to serenitywarriors.com and join us over there. I look forward to seeing you either in the retreat or in the group.